Hello guys, this is your boy Adam. Today I'm here to do a new tutorial about how to fix a format drive. Maybe you have a pen drive or hard drive or memory card. You can set it on your computer and you said format it before you can use the drive. Meanwhile, you have data on your drive and you don't want to lose the data. This is how you can fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you go to this PC or my computer. I'm using Windows 10. The same thing applies to Windows, all kind of Windows, right? So let's get started. Go this PC, manage. Here you are going to check your drive. Okay, go to disk management. Go disk management. Yeah, let's see all this. You see the formatting of the drive. You see how ntfs file, but here it's raw, right? When it says raw over here, we can repair it. So say I want to show you that it's raw, so I want to repair it. Okay, so let's see this PC. You see nothing is showing over here. So first of all, you go to this search bar, then you type command prompt cmd, right? Then you right click it, then you run it as administrator, right? So there's a small script that we are going to write, code it, right? So first of all, you need to type chkdsk, then space, then you go and check the drive name, right? Look how this is I, right? The drive name is I, it's capital I. All right, then you type the drive name, caps, then I, caps and I, then press shift, then is the column, right? Space, then slash f, f means in small letter, fix, then press enter, right? Yeah, you see that is fixing. Wow, everything is just working in progress. So done just now within a percentage. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, everything is done. So let's check the drive right now. Yeah, you see that the drive is working perfectly, right? I'll fix it, right? Please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you everyone. Please, I'll plead on your behalf to support this channel. Okay, just share it to your friend. Okay, thank you very much for your support. Okay, bye bye.